Star of these championships was 18-year-old Elena Mukhina. 3 years earlier, Mukhina had not even been a serious competitor. Then she paired up with men's coach Mikhail Klemenko. Together, they devised routines that made people gasp.
She has a spectacular move in her bar routine, something that was made famous by Gordon Maddox and yourself. Right here, only it's a full twisting Corbett. Beautiful.
Oh, my goodness. That's exactly what Olga did at Munich, but with a twist, literally.
Exactly. She is moving so smoothly. You can see why she's leading at this point. Watch, heck back. Beautiful exercise.
On the balance beam, her dismount was so difficult it was still being used to win Olympic championships 10 years later.
Dismount, watch this. Round off, double back.
Beautiful.
And in the floor exercise, she would be the first woman gymnast to take the double back somersault to a new level, adding a full twist to the first somersault.
And watch her mount. Flip-flop, full twisting, double back. Such ease.
And she finished her routine with the kind of tumbling pass others would only dare to try at the start.
Good endurance. Double back, ending with a double back. Terrific.
Elena Mukhina, unshakable so far.